Hey everybody, John, Vapor Owning Technologies. We're going to use the Hydroblast parts washer on this brake drum. Doing a brake job on the truck here today, and this thing is filthy. Clean this real quick in the Hydroblast. For all of you mechanics in the world, this is where this is perfect. This machine will clean this part within a minute and a half. I'll give you a little over the shoulder view as we get started. The machine's fully heated, 117 degrees. So there you go. We're able to clean this thing up. Now it's ready for reassembly. You can just see it cutting the grease and grime off. 1700 psi at 115 degrees. Ready to go back on the truck. So if you're a mechanic, you guys need this. Call or email the sales team today for more information. Thanks for watching.